YouTube, it's your favorite boy Fazaltib, and back again with another video, man. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a trade I'm about to take, right? Normally I don't show a lot of my TA. The camera and show you guys. Okay, look at this, right? Normally I don't show a lot of my TA, but if you guys see from this support that I drew here, right, way back, hold on, I'm holding the phone of the camera, I would have zoomed in. Way back before the price even dumped from here, I drew this from here all the way over here when the price was about 4,000, and I drew that support. Okay, from my previous video, you guys know I was crying, right? If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go check that video here. You guys know I was crying about me catching the bottom of Ethereum and letting it go, right? You guys know about that video. So I make that video because right there, you see this bounce right there. You see how it bounced beautifully on top of this. I wish I can zoom out, man. Hold on, let me show you. You see how beautifully this bounce off? Yeah, this bounce was like program, man. Look, you see right there. But I caught about 1,000. I caught about 3,115, guys. I caught that bottom right there, and I panicked so, right? Look at where we pump. We pump from all the way up here to right here. You see? To right there. What was the price there? To about 3,550 or something. Okay, we caught that right there. Since then, we've been retracing, coming back to retest this zone. You see how prices were consolidating here. The prices has been consolidating around here too. Look at this. If I go here and put a line, another horizontal line, my TA is not the best, man, but I'm trying, you know. I'm trying. If we put a line right here, let's put it from here, right here, right? You see that we've been trading within this zone, right? We've been consolidating. So this is the best position actually to take a trade, because when it dip down here, even though I have another trade set up here, look at this right here, pump all the way to this place. Okay, if you see, we'll show you the number. My TA is not the best, man, but I'm expecting in the short term for Ethereum to retrace back to about 3,650 or something. In the short term, man, in the short term, unless something go wide. Because if you see, since then, about 18 hours, if you count this is a 1 hour candle, this is a 1 hour chart. If you count from here, you see that we have formed a channel in my TA. I can see that we have formed a channel, right? We've been consolidating here. Look, if you count this if you count these candles, we've been consolidating within this channel, right? Look at this, within this channel for the past 18 hours. So as of currently, I've just deployed another trade on Ethereum, and I'm putting my stop loss tight. I'm putting my stop loss right under here. Like, look, not all the way down here, but about 3,180, right? Yeah, just to be safe, so that it don't make something like this. Don't come all the way down here and then take me, bounce back here, and go all the way up. I don't want to do that, because the last time I formed. So I'm putting my stop loss close, like around here, under here, right? Under here will take us to 3,000. Will take us to, let's put the stop loss under 3,200, because that's the bottom. Yeah, that's the bottom of this channel that has been consolidating for a couple days. So let's see, this candle right here just got my order fee, but I don't know if this candle is gonna bounce, because the way this candle look, I don't like it, man. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. It seems like it's gonna hold, man. It seems like it's gonna hold. Okay, this candle bounce here, and my order was filled at 3,302. Yeah, so let's see what if this is gonna play out, if this is gonna retrace all the way up to 3,650. That's what I'm predicting. That's what I think is gonna happen in the short term. If not, because I feel like if we clear this, right, if we clear this low right here, if we clear 3,220, Let me see, is there another swing short term low? This is 1 hour chart, right? I think if we clear this right here, we're gonna go all the way. We're gonna pass this. We are going to pass this, man. Yes, I think if we clear all the way here, we are going to pass this, because this is a demand zone. Actually, this is a demand zone. I think we are going to, like, maybe, I don't know, man. Ethereum not looking too good, but I just feel like we are within this range. We're gonna do something like this. Zag. If it's gonna consolidating, because all coins are actually holding very good now. Coins are actually holding very good right now. Why Bitcoin is going down? All coins are actually, unless Bitcoin have another massive crash. Unless Bitcoin have another massive crash, I don't think Ethereum will be dumping like that, because let's look at Solana. So I have a position on Sol too, even though that Sol is not actually looking super good. Okay, look at that. You see, I feel like Sol right here, right? I feel like Sol is in a good place to take a position. If you zoom this out a little bit, you see that, you see how Sol did right here, right? You see how it printed a nice green candle right here. From what? From the bounce right off here. It bounced right off here, even though I cut it to around same price where it is right now. So I actually cut it right here, and then I close it around somewhere at 197, and then I enter back here. So I enter back at 183. So my price target on Sol in a short run is gonna be cool for Sol. Like, you know, like right here we see something like this. You see it's consolidating right here too, but I feel like it only came back here to retest this level. You see, actually hasn't broken down any of these. If you come back here, the reason why I'm putting my stop loss right there, you see, it came here, right? It came from all the way up here, went up here, came down here, hit the first time, right? Did something like this to come back here again, right? And it hit the second time. So I feel like if Sol is gonna pump, then now is the time to pump, because if you come back here again, respecting the fact that this is a 1 hour chart, respecting the fact that this is still the previous high on the hourly chart, right? This more on the consolidation phase. This is a high. How long has this been? Because since the market opened this morning, it hasn't cleared this high yet. It needs to clear this high actually to get into that position, but I'm already in a position though. I feel like if we come back more here, right, I'll immediately close it at this range, because if you come back here and take out this was the low that this thing formed right here. You see this downward momentum form a low right here, and it shoot all the way, and the bulls shoot all the way on top here. If you look at this range, it was about 200, right? Let's put, what are we doing, man? Let's put another line right here. This other wick that is resisting this thing. So I feel like it's because all coins are holding now, so I feel like Sol it's not gonna pass, because I feel like, man, if you come all the way down here and take out this low, right? What's the price? Take out this low. If you come and take out this low, man, I feel like we'll take out this one too, because it's gonna do something like this. Because if you look at it in a bigger time frame, let's see what the 30 says. All of this stuff is stuck, man. Stuck. But if you see something, you see that maybe this thing is forming like a small channel. Is it like a small ascending channel right here? You think so? because let's do like a small trend line. Yeah, this might be a channel that the 30 is forming right here, right? And if you put it again right here, another trend line. Man, I'm not too good at TA, man. Don't mind my work, because put it again right there. Seems to me like that's a channel that is forming. So I just feel like somehow, because I feel like it's gonna break out, but if this is a channel, then okay, let's take all these pips until like 197 or something, and set out. If it doesn't break down past here, because if it break down this trend line around somewhere here, it will be like because look, literally if you break right here, I'll take out all these small support within small time frame. We'll take out this, and what will be this? Okay, so I think this is sitting on top of a support, and I think it's gonna rip. I think it's gonna rip, man. I think it's gonna rip. I don't know. Like I said, man, I'm not used to using TradingView a lot. I'm not used to using TA a lot, but you see, even on the 15-minute time frame, you actually see that it did something here like this. What was it? Is it like a double bottom? Pew. And then broke out, and then retested. Man, this is hard to tell, right? Or you want to do like a cup and handle, like this, a cup and a handle, and then it come back. No, even on the 15-minute time frame too, you can see it look like it printed a low here, right? And then it formed this high. Right here, and then it came down to another low. If this actually gonna break this high, if it actually break 188, let's see. Let's just watch so in a short term and see, right? Within the 15 minutes. If it actually break, because this doesn't look good, I'm not gonna lie. This doesn't look good, because if you zoom out, this look like a bounce here. And this is a big supply zone, like it's rejecting so badly. So let's hope it breaks this 188 right here. Let it close 188. But at the meantime, I'm gonna have to open a trade, and this is not like really a good trade, because my stop loss is right under 175. Or if you want to be safe, if you don't want to lose a lot of money, because this trade is like a risky one, I'll place my stop loss right below this wick, right below here, right? Or if you want to be like more safe, like not it to come out, hit your stop loss and go, you come here, you place it right below here. Yeah, right on this trend line. Yeah, right on this trend line. You place it around 178, because this for like I don't mind sleeping with the trade on. You know what I'm saying? Because the way I put this stop loss is like, unless it come and clear this level, I won't be closed out, right? So this level was the lowest, which was about 175. So I'm putting my stop loss way below that one, like 175.2 or just 175, just to like put a big risk. But like I said, man, this trade is not really a big trade like that, but it seems like it's forming a channel right there. Let's see what the channel is gonna do, man. Let's see 2, 3. So this time around, it needs to break this, man. It needs to break this. And if you break this, right, zoom out, if you break this, right, the next target, the first target to clear is this right here, which will be 201. And I feel like it's gonna clear it, because right here, this is still a low. So if you clear this point, I think it might, is it really strong? It might visit this area right here, 205, as I predicted. So okay, let's say let's say this trade hit my target 205. Okay, damn, man, this is so big. You look at that 4-hour right there. You see that 4-hour right there, man? Look, it's like it's about to like just crush that small resistance, like nothing is there. And if you crush that, right, we are looking somewhere here. On the 4 hours, it's even like a bigger time, it's big, like a bigger picture. If it crushes, we are looking at 210, right? On the 4 hours. If it crush this thing right here, I'll close about 25% of the trade here at 200 and then close the next at 210. So let's see, guys, let's see. Let's see, what do you guys think? Like I said, all coins are holding like super good, man. All coins are holding super good. But you see, this is what I drew on like 1 hour. It seems like it's a small channel. Even on the 4 hours, it seems like this channel is still valid. Look at this, right? It seems like that channel is still valid. Do something like this, something like, yeah. So if we actually let me increase my position because yeah, let's target 2012, right? Let's target 2012. So I feel like so it's going to go to these prices in the short term. I don't know what a bigger picture might look like because the daily don't still look good. Daily don't really look good like that. But if Bitcoin don't crash more than the way it's already at, I think these altcoins will outperform. Yeah, man, it's a big resistance right here at 205. On a daily. Okay, this was the week right here, and this one came down here to retest, and it seems like we are coming to test this moving average, right? If we come to test this moving average, what's it gonna be like? Yeah, that's just my little knowledge on TA, man. So I'm going to let this trade setup play out, man. I'm going to let them play out. If it play out good, or bad, I'll update you guys. So if you want to take the trade, you take the trade. I mean, maybe take Ethereum. Maybe so has pumped a little bit, but seem like we are back, baby. We're back. Okay, you see what I was saying? While we were doing this video, Ethereum it's already up. Like from the order, if you let me show you guys. Let me pull up the Ethereum chart and show you guys. While we were doing this video, Ethereum came. That's a 5 minute. That's a 5 minute, baby. While we were doing the video, see the 5 minute. It's like crazy. It did something like wanted to dump, trap the bears, and let's pump this, man. Is it the same chart I was using? Oh no, this 8 USD. Looking at 8 Theta. Okay, this is my chart, man. This is my chart. You see that region is still there. I told you guys it's a channel that we are forming. I told you guys, look at this. You see, man, you see how it was dumping while we were making that video. Look, that channel right there, it came all the way. Now it's having this strong green candle. Let's go, man. Can we like just shoot to the stars? Can we shoot to the moon, man? Can we? While we're making this video, we fill up my order at 3,302. Then right now it's at 3,330. So come on, man, let's shoot, baby. Let's go. And my stop loss is right under what's the setup? Okay, my stop loss is right under right here, even though I put 200, so I don't care. I put 200, 3,200, because if this don't want to be valid, don't come under here, man. You come under here, this channel is no more valid. So This for like short-term trading. So if you want to take this Ethereum trade, I think it's still good on a I think if Ethereum has bottom here, man, then you know what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna close just a tiny position right here. Yeah, 3650. I'm gonna close just a tiny, about 25%, and see, because this might be Ethereum bottom, because the way the market is looking, all coins are not really looking bad, but I think BTC is not really the best, but BTC dominant, is it dropping? Oh, come on, man. Yeah, we need this thing to drop like crazy. Like crazy. Let me know what you think about my analysis, man. Like I said, I'm not the best TA guy. I'm in crypto for the longest time. I'm holding coins. I've been holding coins. I've been accumulating them in the bear market in 2022. So I've been holding them. I'm still holding them, and I'm gonna keep holding them. So if you want to know the coins, I'm more a fundamental guy than a TA guy. So, but I've been trying to like day trade on some positions, but hopefully I can be able to like scalp and day trade on some of these coins and make some moves on it, guys. But hey, man, check this out. Make sure you're liking on this channel if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you turn on the post notification and subscribe to this channel, man, if you want more update like this. Hey, if you think my work is not really good, you can tell me something I'm missing out on and I'll improve on that, man. Like I said, why I'm making this video, that trade bounced as I predicted. If you come down to that point, I'm closing this trade. I'm not gonna let greed kill me. I actually blow out my account a few days ago, just because I was using high super rigs. But right now, no matter how much small capital I'm using, I'm still using a minimum rig so that I can be able to maintain that whenever my account is big again. Because I feel like when I had a big account, I didn't know what was going on. I just like, hey man, I want to make $50,000 in an hour and be a legend, and I ended up blowing up $30,000 in minutes. But anyway, guys, this is not gambling. You can actually change your life trading. I mean, it hasn't changed mine in a big way, but I know it can change your life so super big, man. But anyway, let me know what you think. And I haven't used my office space in like ever, man. This is my first time using an office space. I'm just using this because I'm trying to respect the rule, like, you know, get into the office, trying to get into work and see how it feels like, you know what I'm saying. Right now my Solana trade is already up a lot from my entry at 183. I might just if you revisit my entry, I'm not gonna like that, so I might just go ahead and move my stop loss into 183. So if you come back, there will be break even, you know what I'm saying. But I'm still targeting these prices, but I need it to clear that 188 first, and that would be great, right? Yeah, see you guys on the next video, man.